everybody, would you like to see what I painted?
Mm-hmm.
I made this for my doctor's shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
It's very beautiful to me, right?
It's-
My mom used Mod Podge.
Well, tell about what you drew on it.
I
No.
drew a love heart in the middle and some petals, and we put jewels on it. Don't touch this flower, it's poison. And it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Look,
What does it say? Dear who?
dear Dr. Scholler, I love you, love Brooke.
Let me see your painting again. Oh, that's nice. Can you flip it around? That's beautiful.
Do you want to see my ants?
What?
Did you see that?
Mm-mm. Oh, I can see it now. Where are they?
Look at the little baby ducks.
Oh my goodness. That's very cool. You know what, Brooke? I think she's going to love it.
This is an only flower for ants. These are different kinds of flowers.
What's
I'll
that
teach you.
thing right there?
That's a cloud. Hello, don't you know?
Turn it around so I can see the front of it. And give you a big smile.
Nice.
Beautiful. Bye.